Hello and welcome. Today we will see how we can merge text values of multiple cells. So let's start. Here we can see the first name, last name, age, and total marks of the students of a particular school. What we will do, we will merge this first name and last name as full name. Okay, so we have to select a particular column for to include full name. So we are selecting this because we want to insert before this column. Okay, after this and before this. So we have selected this. Insert, so a new column is inserted before age. We are naming it as full name. So what we have to do, we have to type any formula, select that scale cell, and then type is equal to. Every formula start with is equal to, and you will see whatever is written here, you will see here, because this is called formula bar. Okay, so uh, you have to select Emma, that is A5, and type and select Johnson. Enter. You see that Emma Johnson is typed here, but there is no space between these full name. Uh, Usually, we give a space between our first name and last name. So let's give a space. Click that. Now we have to edit the formula from here. Uh, Click here. After and type inverted comma. Okay, give a space, then type again inverted comma. That is, a space is given between these two inverted comma. Then type and b5. So we can see after is equal to a5, that is this data is given, and then there is space given, and there is last name is given. So now if we press enter, you will see there is a space happened between Emma and Johnson. Now we don't need to repeat for all these cells. Just click this, then take your mouse pointer here. When mouse pointer will show like that, and drag from here to here, you will see all these names are full names are generated. We can see there is a border below here. We are removing these borders. We are selecting these, going home, and from this border column, no border. Okay, so we will see that there is no border here. And another way we can merge the text values, I'm showing that to you. uh, First name and last name, I have selected the whole thing, then I copied by Control C, and I'm placing here, and I'm typing Control V. So here we are seeing the data. Okay, so now here we are giving the full name, making it a bit wider. Then is equal to, we will use a function here that names concat, conca. Look, concat is appeared here. We don't need to uh, write the whole thing. Double click on that. So concat, after concat, a bracket is appeared here. Then select this one, and instead of and, now give a comma. Okay, if you want to use function, then you have to give the values like that, comma, then select this, then close the bracket, press enter. You will see Emma Johnson has appeared, but again we need a space between them. So we have selecting this concat. After this value, after this comma, give a inverted comma, then space, then another inverted comma, then comma. So finally we can see that there is I5 comma space comma J5. So if we enter, we will see the whole thing. Okay, we can give this space from the very beginning also. I'm actually breaking this concept so this is comfortable for you. I'm typing is equal to uh, sorry, first of all concat double click this one, comma, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, then comma, this one, closing bracket, enter. So our data is completed here. Now drag it. Let's see this output. From a painter. Okay. So this is how you can merge text values. That's all for today. Thank you very much.